Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to activate and deactivate noise cancellation on the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone. So the first step is to ensure that the receiver is inserted into your iPhone or Android phone. Then once you've done that, ensure that the microphones are connected to the receiver. If they're not, then you'll need to force them to enter pairing mode so that they can now connect. And so once you've done all of that and you've ensured that they're connected, activating and deactivating noise cancellation is fairly simple. All you need to do is simply locate the yellow button on one of your microphone. If you're choosing to use both microphones, then this will work for both of them at the same time. So every time you press on this this yellow button, then the light will switch to green, meaning that you've successfully activated noise cancellation. So if you're using both microphones, then you can see this green light has been activated for both microphones as well as the receiver that's in your phone. To deactivate noise cancellation, just press on that button again. The light will switch to blue, which means that you've successfully turned off noise cancellation. If you've chosen to just use one microphone instead of two of them, activating and deactivating noise cancellation is the exact same thing. Just press once, it will turn on. Press once again and it will turn off. So if you've installed the Lark Sound app either on your iPhone or on your Android phone, then you can also choose to use this specific app to activate and deactivate noise cancellation. So ensure that the receiver is connected to your phone and to the microphone and wait for it to be detected by the Sound app. And once it's been detected and it's connected, you should see this page appearing on your screen. From here, you should see noise cancellation with a toggle next to it. To turn it on, just tap on the toggle and it will be turned on. And then you can choose to have the noise cancellation set to strong or to weak. It's up to you to decide which option you prefer to use. If you want to turn off noise cancellation, just tap on the toggle and noise cancellation will be turned off. So this is the exact same thing if you're using the camera receiver. So let me disconnect from my phone and then grab my camera receiver. So from there, once the camera receiver is connected to your wireless microphones, to activate noise cancellation, it's fairly simple. You just need to press on this yellow button once to turn it on. You can see this turning green. And press on it once again to turn it off, and you can see it switched to blue. So sadly, if you want to activate noise cancellation using the camera receiver, you won't be able to. The only way you can activate noise cancellation if you're connected to the camera receiver is by using the microphone. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.